Hey, one thing I don't do is cap on this internet. But I've been driving trucks for like 3.5 years. And for the first time ever, a kid hit me with the bom bom. I was stoked as hell to do it. Let me explain. I'm at a stoplight, and a parent pulled up next to me. By the way, it's like 10:30 at night. He keeps scooting up, so I look to my left like, what this dude doing? He say, yo, bro, you mind hitting the horn for my little kid? I'm like, hell yeah, I'ma do it. That little kid in the back seat lit up, man. I was so happy about that. Y'all can not like the video all you want. Hey, I had to share my win.